Best method to use the Apple gift card on Brawl Stars. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to redeem the Apple gift card to your Apple ID. To do this, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Here you can use your camera to scan the code on the back of your gift card, or you can enter the code manually. Once the code is entered, tap Redeem at the top right corner. Your Apple ID balance will be updated with the amount from the gift card. Now that we have redeemed the gift card, let's use the balance to purchase gems in Brawl Stars. Open Brawl Stars on your device. Tap on the gem icon at the top of the screen to go to the shop. Here you'll see various gem packs available for purchase. Choose the one you want and tap on it. A confirmation window will appear. Tap buy to proceed with the purchase. Since we have an Apple ID balance, the purchase will be deducted from that balance. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.